This morning, my steps felt heavier than usual, not because I was tired, but because it was the day I was going to have a job interview that could potentially be the beginning of a new journey in my life. I hope I can get out of this day well.
Oh, hello, good morning. It's really you, Miss Jessica.
Oh, good morning. Yes, that's true. This is
Okay, please
Jessica.
take your seat.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Wow, nice. You coming for your interview time.
Yes, miss, because I don't want to be late on my first day interview.
I like your style. Okay, first let me introduce myself. My name is Jania Rahmatiza. You can call me Jania. I serve as Human Resource Development at PT Pertamina Patraniaga.
Okay, Miss Jania, thank you for the opportunity. So I can be here today, and I'm very excited to meet you.
Oh, really?
Yes, Miss
Good to
Jessica.
hear that. So, are you ready for this interview test?
Of course, I'm ready, Miss Jania.
Okay, I have read your CV briefly and I looks interesting. Therefore, please introduce yourself and your background.
Okay, let me introduce myself. My name is Jessica Olivia Brianti, and you can call me Jessica. I graduate from a public administration study program at Brawijaya University with GPA 3.8 or cum laude. And addition of my studying, I also participate in communities, activists, and volunteering. And through this experience, I can shape my personality into someone who is easy to coordinate, and this is proven to my 2 years experience in as administrative staff at PT Astra International.
Wow, it's very interesting that you have had 2 years of work experience at PT Astra International.
Yes.
And why are you interested in becoming an administrative staff at PT Patrani?
Okay, I'm interested applying for this position of administrative staff at PT Pertamina Patraniaga. As you already know, my background is a graduate of public administration, and of course, in terms of administration, I already understand it very well, and I want to be have experience in various company, and I don't want to be stuck in just one company.
Oh, I really appreciate your opinion. So, what do you know about the company PT Patraniaga?
Okay, what I know about PT Pertamina Patraniaga is that it's a subsidiary of Pertamina, and the company is focuses at efficiency, effectively, and use digital electronic to improve the quality of energy distribution. And there are over many people their full trust in PT Pertamina Patraniaga, and I'm very enthusiastic about becoming a part of this company, of course.
It's good that you have explored our company in more depth. So let's discuss your strength that you can bring to our company.
Okay, the strength I can bring in this company are my discipline with time, and good communication with coworkers, and strong sense of responsibility and accuracy in everything I do. And these skills are highly sought by administrative staff. So I'm so very confident that with my strength, and I can perform well as an administrative staff in PT Pertamina Patraniaga.
Okay, after listening to your strength, then mention and explain the weakness you have.
Okay, my weakness is that I tend to be a perfectionist, And so when I'm working on my task, it this process take longer because I have to make sure about everything is neat. And now I realize that my weakness negatively impact on my work, of course. And from now I will prioritize and set deadline for myself.
Okay, that's very good information. Next, do you want to ask something about this company?
Okay, yes, Miss. I would like to ask some question about this company.
Of course, let's ask.
Okay, Miss, at PT Pertamina Patraniaga have a career development program or maybe training to improve employee at companies?
Of course, PT Patra Niaga is committed to developing the competence of its employees through a fire program from technical to leadership, from young talent to senior employers.
Oh wow! It turns out PT Pertamina Patraniaga really prioritizes the quality of its employees.
Yes, of course.
Oh my god. And Miss Janya, in your opinion, what are the most important qualities ca- candidates should process to be a staff working at PT Pertamina Patraniaga?
As a company operating in the energy sector, Prataniaga recruit individuals who are honest, responsible, and able to maintain ethical standard in every work process. Are you there any more question?
Sorry, Miss. I have one last question about this company.
It's no problem for me. Please ask.
Okay, so when can I know the result of the interview task?
Okay, good question. Maybe 3 or 4 days, we will send a message to your email. So keep your monitoring your email message.
Okay, thank you, Miss, for all information you explained to me.
You're welcome. That's my job.
Okay, I hope that I can be a part of administration staff at PT Pertamina Patraniaga and I can work with you.
I hope so too, Jessica. So I hope you're lucky and get what you hope for, Jessica.
Okay, thank you, Miss Yania.
Okay, your interview session is almost up. So give a reason why the Patraniaga company should choose you to be its employee.
Okay, thank you for the opportunity to interview today. I am very impressed to PT Pertamina Patraniaga dedication to serving communities throughout Indonesia with strong administrative skill, truthfulness, and high commitment. I can make a real contribution in your team, and I'm highly motivated to support and ensure all administrative process in PT Pertamina Patraniaga, and I will be honored to join PT Pertamina Patraniaga and commit to its success.
Okay, thank you for giving us your closing statement. I hope that when you become part of this company, you will continue to maintain the commitment you have given us.
Okay, of course, Miss Jania.
Okay, thank you for coming today. We will immediately select from your selection result and wait for the result.
Okay, Miss Jania, thank you for being able to interview me. I really appreciate this opportunity and I hope I get a good news. And have a nice day.
Have a nice day too, Jessica.
Okay.
Today's interview is finally over. Although I was a little nervous, I'm grateful I was able to get through it calmly. Now, I leave everything to the result and decision that come. Hopefully, the small step I take today open new doors to a brighter future.